I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. The other day I made carnitas out of a pork shoulder, and I have a lot of leftovers. So today I'm going to make a carnitas pizza. I'm going to start by making a fire-roasted salsa roja right here in the wood-fired oven, and that's going to become the base sauce for the pizza. I'm going to top that with lots of cheese and the shredded carnitas meat. It's going to be great, and it's right here on Austin Eats. First, I have to make the salsa roja sauce for the pizza. I'm going to start with a little olive oil in my pan and then add Roma tomatoes, some coarse chopped white onion, some garlic that's been peeled, of course, and a couple of jalapeno peppers. I'll add a little olive oil to the top of that, and it's time to light the wood-fired oven. 20 minutes in the oven and these vegetables were done. You could also do this in a conventional oven at around 450 degrees for about 20 minutes. But this was a lot more fun. Let's finish the salsa. The vegetables are in the blender, and I'm adding salt, pepper, cumin, lime juice, a chipotle chili with a little adobo sauce, and some cilantro. Give that a spin for a couple of minutes, and then set it aside. To make the pizza, I'm going to first put down a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then about a quarter cup of my salsa roja. Spread it around, and then it's time to add the mozzarella cheese, some Asiago, then some black beans, and of course the carnitas meat right on top. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cumin to the top of that, some roasted green chilies, and finish that with some Parmesan, and this is ready to go into the pizza oven. It was an unusual pizza for sure, but it sure did taste great. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got several new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.